Good afternoon, my name is Nathalia Quinones and I'll be talking to you guys about bullying. Most kids have been teased by a sibling or a friend at some point. It's not usually harmful when done in a playful, friendly, and mutual way, and both kids find it funny. However, it crosses the line into bullying, and this needs to stop. Bullying is an act of negative, aggressive behavior in order to hurt another person, physically or mentally. It is usually done by someone getting power and satisfaction from it. Some researchers define bullying as when a person is exposed repeatedly and over time to negative actions on the part of one or more persons. Bullying behavior may include name-calling, verbal or written abuse, expulsion from activities or any social situations, or physical abuse. Bullies may behave this way to be perceived as popular or touch, or to get attention. Many times they bully out of jealousy or be acting out because they themselves are bullied. Bullying can be classified into two categories: direct bullying and indirect bullying, which is also known as social aggression. Some examples of physical aggression are shown as in shoving, poking, throwing things, slapping, punching and kicking, beating, pulling hair, pinching, etc. Some kids bully by spreading rumors about them. Others use emails, chat rooms, instant messages, social networking, websites, and text messages to taunt others or hurt their feelings. It's important to take bullying seriously and not just brush it off as something that kids have to toughen out. The effects can be serious and affect kids' self-esteem and future relationships. In severe cases, bullying has been contributed to tragedies such as school shootings. I brought a visual showing you guys an example of cyberbullying. It's a picture of a computer screen with a hand and a fist coming out of it, punching the kid. It's a sign of the kid being bullied through the computer with different websites, social networkings, etc. Warning signs. If you're concerned that your child is a victim of teasing or bullying, some signs can be frequent crying, complaints of physical symptoms such as stomach aches or headache with no noticeable cause, unexpected bruises, sudden drop in grades or learning problems, not wanting to go to school, significant changes in social life, like if suddenly no one is calling them or they're not being invited to any parties, sudden change in the way your child talks, calling herself a loser or a former friend a jerk. Indications of school crime and safety. Collected some statistics. 18% of teens had rumors or gossip was spread out. 11% were physically abused. 6% were threatened. 5% were excluded from activities. And 4% were cyberbullied. How can we help these kids? There are various things we can do. First, give them space to talk. If he or she recounts incidents of teasing or bullying, be concerned. If your child has trouble verbalizing her feelings, read a story about a child being teased or bullied. You can also use puppets, dolls, or stuffed animals to encourage a young child to act out a problem. Once you've opened the door, help your child begin to problem solve. Talk with your child. Communication is very important when being bullied. It helps you guys understand each other, help the person express their feelings and express the situations that they are going through. Schools and parents can work effectively behind the scenes to help a child meet and make new friends via study groups or science lab partnerships. If you're concerned about your child, take a step and help them. Share with the teacher what your child has told you. Describe any teasing or bullying that you may have witnessed. Ask the teacher if he or she sees similar behavior at school, and enlist her help in finding ways to some solving of the problem. If she hasn't seen any instances of teasing, ask and keep an eye to see the behavior between the child and the bullies that you have described. If the teacher says that your child is being teased, find out whether there are any things that you can do to help them in class. Attract teasing. Ask how he responds to the teasing and discuss helping him develop a more effective response. Lastly, another thing I would like to show you guys is a picture of a little girl going through depression. That's a very important factor that is caused by bullying, and I know that we can stop this. Thank you guys for listening to me today. Have a wonderful afternoon.